Hey Margil, how do you use AI for outreach without losing personalization?
This is really crazy. Mostly everyone knows what's not possible with AI today. We can let AI tool talking and performing ever better than the human for many roles. Starting from drafting emails, writing messages, automating outreach. Yes, that's possible today with smarter agents and platform integrations. But that's not the success mantra. I always consider AI is not for my performance, it's for my presentation. The smartest AI tool can't build a real connection, that too without human context and emotional intelligence. Even AI tools performs when we feed the correct data, right context and detailed prompt. If you let AI write everything, your outreach feels robotic. If you skip the human layer, even perfect data won't let you help convert. In simple words, AI can let you decide the direction, but bad personalization can be fixed by human touch only. There are teams who rely fully on AI outputs, even copy paste generated drafts without adding the real human context. With these efforts, eventually everyone will burn out. So, here is what I suggest doing. Start with letting AI be your assistant, and that's the first step. Is AI pulling company data, recent funding news, or hiring patterns and pain signals correctly? Now check for the real challenges. Is the research thorough enough? Is our data clean and enriched with buying signals? And that's how we can save up to 70% of time. After this, the second step is analyze the context by yourself. After AI summarize the information from multiple sources, find what exactly mean for the specific prospect versus our core offering. Here you will have better idea on context. For an example, are they scaling fast or dealing with the retention issue or shifting their positioning or hiring for a pain you solve? By this stage, when we understand the context, outreach becomes natural without sounding templatized. Now, the last step is hyper personalize the message by yourself. Yes, hyper personalization means speaking prospects' language, addressing the real problems, showcasing our understanding for their world, and connecting human to human. That's where everything should be tied up to real empathy over automation speed. Automation is important, but it should be balanced with the human authenticity. And that's it. See, outreach is constant learning skills. It demands positive energy and human empathy every single day. It's a trust game. We should always use AI as a tool, but adding a human layer will make it actually work. That's how I always recommend to scale outreach, focusing quality over quantity. That too without losing the connection that drives reply.